have an amazing product to show you tonight. I think you're going to be blown away.
But we are on track to deliver a more affordable model in the first half of next year.
Elon Musk has just revealed Tesla's newest game changer.
It's not just to achieve some superlative in cars, but to show what an electric car can do. Because nobody believed that an electric car could do this, that an electric car really can be the best car.
You know, people always want to know what our next product is. We are actually building a new product. We are actually designing a new product. 2 new products that I think you will be very excited about.
A $7,000 car that could redefine the auto industry as we know it.
We needed to figure out how could we, as a tiny company with very few resources, actually make a difference.
Both the design of the products and the manufacturing techniques are head and shoulders above anything else that is present in industry.
It's a vehicle that's set to revolutionize everything from affordability and accessibility to innovation and sustainability.
That was a pretty big deal. There was Twitter and others engaged in active suppression of information that was relevant to the public.
Chapter 1. The Big Reveal. It was a day the automotive world will never forget. After months of speculation, countless rumors, and a flurry of leaked images, Elon Musk finally took the stage at Tesla's annual event to unveil the company's newest creation, an all-new Tesla car with a jaw-dropping price tag of just $7,000. The announcement sent shockwaves through the industry. For years, Tesla has been synonymous with luxury electric vehicles, boasting cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and a price range that was often out of reach for the average consumer. But this new $7,000 Tesla, it was something completely different. A game changer that promised to redefine what an affordable car could be. The anticipation in the room was palpable. Musk, ever the showman, started with a brief history of Tesla's mission: to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. And now, he explained, Tesla was ready to take the next big step in making electric cars truly accessible to everyone. As the lights dimmed and a sleek new vehicle emerged onto the stage, the audience erupted in applause. The new Tesla was compact, stylish, and surprisingly futuristic for such an affordable vehicle. Musk's smile widened as he began to share the details of this groundbreaking new car that he promised would change everything. Chapter 2. The Vision Behind the $7,000 Tesla. To understand why Tesla would release a car at such a low price point, we need to look at Elon Musk's broader vision. From the beginning, Musk's goal with Tesla has been to bring electric vehicles to the masses. While Tesla's early models like the Roadster, Model S, and Model X focused on the high-end market, the company has steadily moved down market with more affordable options like the Model 3 and Model Y. But $7,000? That's a price that no one saw coming. Musk explained that this new model was designed for a single purpose: to make electric vehicles affordable for everyone, everywhere. This car isn't just aimed at the middle-class buyer in North America or Europe. It's targeted at a truly global market. It's a car for students, for families, for people in emerging economies who might have never even considered owning a Tesla, or any car for that matter. Musk emphasized the need for a paradigm shift in transportation. As he put it, sustainable energy can't just be for those who can afford a luxury car. It has to be for everyone. And that's why we created this car. It's a car for the people, by the people, and for our planet. He described this $7,000 model as a culmination of Tesla's years of learning, optimization, and technological innovation. The lessons learned from manufacturing the Model 3 and Model Y, combined with breakthroughs in battery technology and software engineering, had made this new car possible. A car that was affordable, efficient, and, above all, electric. Chapter 3. The Unbelievable Specs. When the price was first announced, many skeptics wondered, what kind of car could Tesla possibly deliver for $7,000? Would it be stripped down and featureless, a mere shell of the Teslas we've come to know and love? Musk was quick to put those doubts to rest. As he began to reveal the specs of the new car, it became clear that this wasn't just a cheap car. it was a Tesla through and through. The $7,000 Tesla, dubbed the Model C, boasts a range of 200 miles on a single charge, more than enough for most daily commutes and errands. The car's compact design means it's perfect for urban environments, yet it retains the sleek, aerodynamic look that has become a hallmark of Tesla's design philosophy. Inside, the Model C is minimalistic yet functional. A large touchscreen dominates the dashboard, providing access to Tesla's celebrated infotainment system, complete with navigation, music streaming, and a suite of apps. The car is fully equipped with Tesla's autopilot technology, which allows for semi-autonomous driving, making it one of the most advanced cars in its price range. The interior seats four comfortably, with a surprising amount of legroom for such a small vehicle. The materials, while not as luxurious as those found in the Model S or X, are still high quality, reflecting Tesla's commitment to both affordability and style. The car's trunk space is also generous for its size, thanks to its innovative design and compact electric drivetrain. And perhaps most surprisingly, the Model C is fast, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 6.5 seconds. It may not be as quick as a Model S Plaid, but it's more than enough to make merging onto the freeway or zipping through city streets an enjoyable experience. Chapter 4. The technology behind the price. So how did Tesla manage to build a car with these specs for just $7,000? The answer lies in a combination of technological advancements, clever design choices, and economies of scale. First and foremost is Tesla's groundbreaking battery technology. Over the past decade, Tesla has been at the forefront of battery innovation, driving down costs and increasing efficiency. The Model C uses Tesla's latest lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries, which are cheaper to produce and more sustainable than the nickel cobalt aluminum (NCA) batteries used in their higher-end models. LFP batteries have a longer lifespan and are less prone to overheating, making them perfect for a mass-market vehicle. In addition to the new battery chemistry, Tesla has also made significant strides in battery packaging. The Model C's battery pack is more compact and integrated directly into the vehicle's structure, reducing weight and improving energy efficiency. Tesla has also simplified the car's design and manufacturing process. By utilizing fewer parts and standardizing components across its vehicle lineup, Tesla has managed to reduce costs significantly. The Model C's chassis, for example, uses Tesla's new giga-casting technology, where large sections of the car are cast as a single piece. This reduces the number of welds and assembly steps required, saving both time and money. Finally, Tesla has leveraged its advanced AI capabilities to optimize production. The company's gigafactories are heavily automated, using machine learning to predict and solve potential issues in real time. This high level of automation reduces the need for human labor, further driving down costs. Chapter 5. The Manufacturing Miracle. Tesla's gigafactories have become legendary for their size, scope, and ambition. Musk took a moment to talk about how these factories have played a pivotal role in making the $7,000 Tesla a reality. The production of the Model C would primarily take place in Tesla's new Gigafactory in Texas, but also in other gigafactories around the world. What makes these factories unique is not just their scale, but their level of vertical integration. Unlike traditional automakers who rely heavily on suppliers, Tesla makes most of its components in-house. This means they can control the quality, reduce costs, and rapidly iterate on design changes. This approach has been instrumental in reducing the price of the Model C to just $7,000. Additionally, Tesla has continued to push the boundaries of manufacturing automation. By using advanced robotics and AI-driven production lines, Tesla has managed to increase efficiency while reducing waste. The factories are powered by renewable energy sources such as solar and wind, further reducing their environmental footprint. Musk also talked about Tesla's plans to open more gigafactories around the world, particularly in markets like India and South America. By producing cars closer to where they are sold, Tesla can cut down on shipping costs and import tariffs, making the Model C even more affordable for customers in these regions. Chapter 6. A new kind of car ownership. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the new $7,000 Tesla isn't just the car itself, but the entire experience of owning one. Musk explained that Tesla is reimagining the concept of car ownership with the launch of the Model C. The new car comes with several unique options for purchasing and ownership. For example, customers can choose a traditional ownership model, where they buy the car outright for $7,000. Alternatively, Tesla is offering an innovative subscription model where customers can pay a low monthly fee to drive the car, with the option to upgrade to a new model every few years. Tesla is also expanding its direct-to-consumer sales model, allowing customers to purchase the car online without ever having to step foot in a dealership. This approach eliminates the middleman, reducing costs and providing a more seamless buying experience. Additionally, Tesla is introducing a new app-based car-sharing program where Model C owners can rent out their cars when they're not using them. This program will allow owners to earn extra income, potentially offsetting the cost of ownership entirely. Musk described it as Airbnb for cars, an idea that could revolutionize how we think about car ownership and utilization. Chapter 7. Safety First. Safety has always been a top priority for Tesla, and the new Model C is no exception. Despite its low price, the car comes equipped with a full suite of safety features that put it on par with more expensive models. The Model C is built with Tesla's ultra-strong steel frame, designed to provide maximum protection in the event of a collision. It also comes with 8 airbags, reinforced side impact protection, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and collision warning. Perhaps most impressively, the Model C includes Tesla's full self-driving hardware. While full self-driving capability is still a work in progress, Musk promised that the car would be able to take advantage of future software updates, allowing it to become fully autonomous when the technology is ready and regulatory approvals are in place. Musk emphasized that safety is not something Tesla is willing to compromise on, no matter the price. He stated, "Our goal is to make the safest car in every category, including affordability." Chapter 8. Sustainability at its core. Elon Musk has always been a vocal advocate for sustainability, and the $7,000 Tesla is a testament to this commitment. The car is designed to be one of the most environmentally friendly vehicles on the road, with a carbon footprint far lower than any gas-powered car in its price range. The Model C is made from sustainable materials wherever possible. The interior, for example, uses vegan leather and recycled plastics, while the manufacturing process is powered by renewable energy sources. Tesla is also making it easier for Model C owners to charge their cars using renewable energy. The company is expanding its supercharger network, adding new stations powered by solar energy in key locations worldwide. Musk announced that Tesla would be offering a new solar home charging package, allowing customers to generate their electricity and charge their cars from home using clean, renewable energy. Musk highlighted that making the Model C sustainable goes beyond just its environmental impact. It's about creating a car that's built to last, with minimal maintenance and maximum longevity. The car's battery is designed to last for over 1 million miles, and Tesla is committed to recycling and repurposing old batteries to ensure they don't end up in landfills. Chapter 9. The response from competitors. The automotive world has been left reeling in the wake of Tesla's announcement. Competitors like General Motors, Ford, Volkswagen, and even new players like Rivian and Lucid Motors are all scrambling to understand how Tesla managed to deliver an electric car at such a low price. Many traditional automakers have already announced plans to accelerate their own electric vehicle programs in response to the Model C. Some are rumored to be in talks with battery manufacturers to develop their own LFP battery technologies, while others are exploring partnerships with tech companies to improve their software and automation capabilities. But make no mistake, Tesla's competitors are worried. The Model C represents a direct challenge to their market dominance, especially in emerging markets where affordability is key. Some analysts believe this could be the beginning of the end for internal combustion engine vehicles, as more and more consumers opt for affordable, sustainable alternatives like the Model C. Chapter 10. The Market Reaction. Tesla's stock price surged following the announcement, reflecting investor confidence in the company's ability to disrupt yet another market. Analysts are already predicting that the Model C could become one of the best-selling cars of all time, potentially outselling even the iconic Toyota Corolla. Consumers, too, are excited. Pre-orders for the Model C opened immediately after Musk's announcement, and within hours, the company's website was inundated with traffic. Tesla fans took to social media to express their enthusiasm, with many praising the company for making electric cars accessible to the masses. The buzz isn't limited to North America and Europe. In markets like India, Brazil, and Southeast Asia, where Tesla has previously struggled to gain a foothold due to high costs and limited infrastructure, the Model C is being hailed as a game-changer. In these regions, where the average car costs well above $7,000, a Tesla at this price point is nothing short of revolutionary. Chapter 11. The Potential Challenges Ahead. Of course, this ambitious new model isn't without its challenges. While the price point is certainly attractive, Tesla will need to overcome several hurdles to make the Model C a success. First and foremost is the challenge of scaling production to meet demand. With tens of thousands of pre-orders flooding in within hours of the announcement, Tesla's gigafactories will need to ramp up production quickly to avoid long wait times and customer dissatisfaction. There are also concerns about battery supply. While LFP batteries are cheaper and more sustainable than other types, they still require raw materials like lithium and iron, which are in limited supply. Tesla will need to secure enough of these materials to meet the massive demand for the Model C, which could prove challenging in a competitive global market. Regulatory hurdles could also pose a problem. While the Model C is designed to be as safe and compliant as possible, different countries have different rules regarding electric vehicles, self-driving capabilities, and data privacy. Tesla will need to navigate these complex regulatory landscapes to bring the Model C to markets worldwide. Chapter 12. A New Era for Electric Vehicles. Despite these challenges, there's no denying that the $7,000 Tesla represents a new era for electric vehicles. It's a car that proves EVs don't have to be expensive or exclusive. They can be affordable, practical, and fun to drive. Musk closed his presentation with a simple but powerful message. This is just the beginning. He hinted at future models that could be even more affordable, as well as continued innovation in battery technology, autonomous driving, and vehicle design. Tesla's $7,000 car is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a bold declaration that the future of transportation is electric, and that future is here, today. Whether you're an auto enthusiast, a tech fanatic, or simply someone looking for an affordable, eco-friendly way to get around, the Model C promises to deliver. Chapter 13. The Future of Tesla and Beyond. What does the future hold for Tesla now that it has unveiled this game-changing vehicle? The possibilities are endless. With the Model C, Tesla is poised to dominate the affordable car market in ways no one could have anticipated. Could this new model finally bring about the mass adoption of electric vehicles? Could it pave the way for new types of public transportation like autonomous taxis or shared electric fleets? Could it inspire a new generation of competitors to innovate, creating a renaissance in the automotive industry? Whatever the answers, one thing is clear: the $7,000 Tesla is more than just a car. It's a vision of what's possible when technology, ambition, and a commitment to sustainability come together. Elon Musk has done it again. He's taken a bold, audacious idea and turned it into reality. And in doing so, he's changed the world. Again, the future is electric. The future is affordable. And thanks to Tesla, the future is here. Chapter 14: The Impact on the Automotive Industry. The unveiling of Tesla's $7,000 Model C has sent ripples through the automotive industry, setting off a chain reaction of reactions and strategies among major car manufacturers. This section delves deeper into the implications of this new model, exploring how it's influencing competitors, reshaping market dynamics, and possibly setting new trends in the industry. The competitive landscape. Before the Model C, many automakers believed that the price of electric vehicles, EVs, would remain relatively high due to the costs associated with batteries, technology, and production. Tesla's announcement has shaken this belief to its core. The introduction of an electric car at such a low price point challenges traditional manufacturers to rethink their strategies. 1. Response from traditional automakers. Major players like General Motors, Ford, Volkswagen, and Toyota are now facing intense pressure to innovate rapidly. Here's a closer look at how each is responding. General Motors, GM. GM has been investing heavily in electric vehicles, with the Chevrolet Bolt being one of their flagship models. However, the Bolt's price point is significantly higher than the Model C. In response, GM has hinted at accelerating their EV rollout and possibly introducing more affordable models. The company is also exploring partnerships with battery manufacturers to reduce costs and improve production efficiency. Ford has made strides with its Mustang Mach-E and the all-electric Ford F-150 Lightning, but the price of these vehicles remains well above $7,000. To compete with Tesla's latest offering, Ford may need to revisit its pricing strategies and explore ways to make its EV lineup more accessible. There are also speculations about Ford developing a new budget-friendly electric model. Volkswagen's ID.3 and ID.4 are part of their push into the electric vehicle market, but these models are still priced higher than the Model C. VW is likely to respond by ramping up efforts to produce more affordable EVs and possibly introducing new models that could rival Tesla's offering. Toyota, a pioneer in hybrid technology with the Prius, has been slower to fully embrace electric vehicles. With Tesla's new model shaking the market, Toyota may accelerate its electric vehicle strategy and explore ways to reduce costs in order to offer competitive pricing. 2. The rise of new entrants. The Tesla Model C also represents a significant challenge to new entrants in the EV market. Companies like Rivian, Lucid Motors, and NIO, which have been positioning themselves as premium electric vehicle manufacturers, will now have to reassess their strategies. These companies have focused on high-end vehicles with premium pricing, but the arrival of an affordable Tesla model could shift consumer expectations and market dynamics. Rivian, known for its R1T and R1S adventure vehicles, may need to reconsider its pricing strategy and explore ways to offer more affordable options without compromising on the features that set it apart. Lucid Motors, with its luxury Air sedan, might need to find ways to broaden its appeal and consider introducing more budget-friendly variants. NIO, a leading EV manufacturer in China, might also face pressure to introduce more affordable models to compete with Tesla's global reach. 3. The push for innovation. The introduction of the Model C is not just about affordability, but also about pushing the boundaries of innovation. As Tesla continues to lead the way, other manufacturers will likely ramp up their own research and development efforts. We can expect to see significant advancements in battery technology, manufacturing processes, and autonomous driving capabilities as competitors strive to keep up. Automakers might also invest more in sustainable practices and materials, given Tesla's focus on environmental responsibility. Innovations in battery recycling, renewable energy integration, and sustainable manufacturing practices will become increasingly important as the industry responds to the growing demand for green technologies. Chapter 15. The Consumer Perspective. From a consumer standpoint, the $7,000 Tesla Model C represents a groundbreaking shift in the automotive market. For many, it's an opportunity to own a high-quality electric vehicle at a price previously considered unattainable. Let's explore how different consumer segments are likely to react and what this means for the future of car ownership. 1. First-time car buyers. For many first-time car buyers, especially young professionals and students, the Model C offers an entry point into the world of electric vehicles. Its affordability makes it accessible to a demographic that might have otherwise opted for used cars or more traditional, less environmentally friendly options. This could lead to a new generation of environmentally conscious drivers who prioritize sustainability from the outset. 2. Budget-conscious families. Families looking for an affordable yet reliable vehicle will find the Model C appealing. Its low price, combined with Tesla's reputation for safety and performance, makes it an attractive option for those who need a practical car for everyday use. The Model C's compact size and efficiency could be particularly appealing to urban families who are looking for an economical way to navigate city life. 3. Green enthusiasts. For those who are passionate about sustainability and reducing their carbon footprint, the Model C represents a chance to support green technology without making significant financial sacrifices. Tesla's commitment to renewable energy and sustainable materials will resonate with environmentally conscious consumers who want to align their values with their purchasing decisions. 4. Tech-savvy consumers. The Model C's advanced features, including Tesla's autopilot and state-of-the-art infotainment system, will attract tech-savvy consumers who want the latest technology without the high price tag. The integration of advanced AI and software capabilities into an affordable vehicle will appeal to those who are excited by the prospect of cutting-edge technology in everyday life. Chapter 16. The Global Impact. The $7,000 Tesla Model C has the potential to make a significant impact on a global scale. As Tesla expands its reach into emerging markets, the implications of this new vehicle extend far beyond North America and Europe. 1. Emerging markets. In countries like India, Brazil, and Southeast Asia, where vehicle ownership rates are rising but affordability remains a significant barrier, the Model C could be a game changer. By offering an electric vehicle at a price that's within reach for many people in these regions, Tesla could drive widespread adoption of electric vehicles and contribute to reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. 2. Developing countries. In developing countries where infrastructure for electric vehicles is still in its infancy, the Model C could play a role in accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation. With Tesla's global network of superchargers and solar-powered charging options, the Model C could help overcome some of the challenges associated with EV adoption in these regions. 3. Environmental benefits. The environmental benefits of the Model C extend beyond its immediate impact on car ownership. By making electric vehicles more affordable and accessible, Tesla is contributing to the broader goal of reducing global carbon emissions and combating climate change. The increased adoption of electric vehicles has the potential to drive down overall emissions from the transportation sector, which is a major contributor to global warming. Chapter 17. The Future of Tesla. With the launch of the $7,000 Model C, Tesla is poised to enter a new chapter in its history. The company's focus on affordability, sustainability, and innovation has set a new standard for the automotive industry. But what does the future hold for Tesla? And how will the Model C fit into the company's broader strategy? 1. Expanding the lineup. Musk has hinted at more affordable models and innovations on the horizon. The Model C could be the first of many new vehicles designed to make electric transportation accessible to a wider audience. We can expect Tesla to continue pushing the envelope with new technologies, materials, and design concepts that further lower costs and enhance performance. 2. Innovations in battery technology. Battery technology will remain a key focus for Tesla. The company's advancements in LFP batteries have already set a new benchmark for affordability and efficiency, but there's always room for improvement. Tesla will likely continue investing in research and development to further enhance battery performance, lifespan, and sustainability. 3. Autonomous driving and AI. Tesla's commitment to autonomous driving and AI will play a significant role in the company's future. The Model C's inclusion of full self-driving hardware is a step toward achieving fully autonomous vehicles. As software and regulatory developments progress, Tesla will likely continue to refine its autonomous driving capabilities and integrate AI-driven features into its vehicles. 4. Global expansion. Tesla's international expansion will be crucial for its growth. The Model C's affordability and global appeal make it an ideal candidate for markets around the world. As Tesla establishes new manufacturing facilities and expands its supercharger network, the company will be well-positioned to capture a larger share of the global EV market. 5. Sustainability and environmental impact. Sustainability will remain a central theme for Tesla. The company's commitment to renewable energy, recycling, and sustainable materials will continue to drive its product development and manufacturing practices. Tesla's focus on reducing its environmental impact aligns with its broader mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Chapter 18. Conclusion. The release of Tesla's $7,000 Model C is a landmark moment in the history of the automotive industry. It represents a bold vision for the future of transportation, where affordability, sustainability, and innovation come together to create a new kind of vehicle. Elon Musk and Tesla have once again proven their ability to challenge conventions and push boundaries. The Model C is not just a car, it's a statement about the future of electric vehicles and the possibilities that lie ahead. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, affordability, and environmental responsibility, the Model C is set to make a lasting impact on the automotive world. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: Tesla's journey is far from over. The Model C is just the beginning of a new era in transportation, and the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast, a sustainability advocate, or simply someone looking for an affordable and innovative vehicle, the $7,000 Tesla Model C offers something for everyone.
Elon Musk surprised his former Twitter followers with an unexpected revelation about a major shift in Tesla's direction. After years of doubt, Musk announced a significant change for Tesla in 2024. Instead of continuing with batteries, the company is set to transition to hydrogen power. This surprising decision gained even more attention when Musk revealed that the first vehicle using this new fuel source would be named the Model H. Interestingly, Musk had previously criticized hydrogen fuel cells as faux cells and considered the technology to be remarkably foolish. However, the recent complete reversal is now attributed to challenges faced in the mass production of Tesla's 4,680 battery. This hurdle prompted the company to reassess its strategy and opt for hydrogen power as an alternative solution. Tesla, a global leader in electric vehicles since its establishment in 2003, has been led by Elon Musk, who is dedicated to improving average living standards through cutting-edge technology with a focus on environmental sustainability. Musk has propelled Tesla to the forefront of the renewable energy and transportation revolution. Through various eco-friendly projects and advocacy efforts, Musk aims to change the way people perceive energy, fuel, and climate change. As the world increasingly embraces cleaner energy solutions to combat climate change, electric vehicles with Tesla at the forefront are gaining popularity. Tesla has recently announced plans to introduce a new energy source, hydrogen fuel cells. This development raises the question: what are hydrogen fuel cells, and how will they transform our driving experience? Vehicles, often famous for contributing quite to climate change through fuel combustion, have witnessed a transformative alternative in electric cars. Tesla, Musk's multi-billion-dollar automotive giant, produces 500,000 electric vehicles annually, playing a substantial role in the growing societal acceptance of electric cars. Electric cars, such as those crafted by Tesla, primarily rely on batteries to power their engines. These batteries, similar to those found in laptops but on a larger scale, store electricity acquired from the grid or charging stations. However, challenges such as prolonged charging durations, concerns about driving range and the associated high costs have discouraged potential buyers. In response to these issues, hydrogen fuel cells have occurred as a promising alternative, addressing many of these drawbacks. Contrary to Elon Musk's earlier doubt about hydrogen technology, fuel cells have garnered attention within the automotive industry. But what exactly is a hydrogen fuel cell, and how does it function within a vehicle's framework? Positioned strategically among a vehicle's components, the fuel cell unites with a battery, electric engine, and hydrogen tank to generate energy. Multiple fuel cells work together through a process known as reverse electrolysis, wherein hydrogen reacts with oxygen to produce electrical energy. Unlike formal electric vehicle batteries, fuel cell batteries are smaller as they are always charged by the fuel cell. This ensures a continuous and sufficient supply of electricity. The byproduct of this process is water vapor, emitted harmlessly into the air. The quality of hydrogen used influences whether the byproducts contribute to climate change. Renewable energy sources are capable of producing hydrogen with a neutral carbon footprint. Despite public awareness, scientists believe that hydrogen fuel cell technology holds promise and will gain traction in the coming years. Beyond the environmental advantages, fuel cell electric vehicles offer distinct benefits in the driving experience. One outstanding difference is the silence of electric vehicles, devoid of the mechanical sounds associated with traditional cars. Electric vehicles provide a very quiet ride. Hydrogen fuel cars take this a step further, standing out even among their electric counterparts due to their swift refueling times. The time it takes to charge is a crucial factor, differentiating battery electric cars from hydrogen fuel cell cars. While fully charging battery electric cars may consume several hours, hydrogen fuel cars are ready to hit the road almost instantly, provided their hydrogen tanks are filled. This, combined with the considerable energy output of a hydrogen tank, grants fuel cell cars a more extensive range compared to their electric counterparts. In 2024, the pioneering Model H will showcase this innovation, featuring cutting-edge technology and an impressive acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.2 seconds, boasting a range of 450 kilometers. Despite the current higher cost of hydrogen fuel cars due to their rarity and limited availability of hydrogen stations, industry experts foresee a change in the next decade. As the urgency to address climate change grows, more automotive companies are embracing cleaner technologies. Models 2 and Z are slated for release in 2025 and 2027 respectively, and are expected to be supercars, marking Tesla's groundbreaking shift toward hydrogen fuel cells. Elon Musk, known for his controversial opinions, has been a vocal analyst of hydrogen as a vehicle fuel source. However, in the evolving landscape of electric vehicles, there is a deviation of opinions on the ability of hydrogen fuel cells versus traditional batteries. While Musk strongly opposes hydrogen, major industry players like Toyota and Hyundai, along with smaller manufacturers like Riversimple, are actively involved in developing hydrogen-powered cars. This variety of opinions extends beyond manufacturing, with figures like Herbert Diess, CEO of Volkswagen Group, expressing concerns about the viability of hydrogen in the automotive sector. Diess argues that green hydrogen, produced using renewable energy sources, is better suited for heavy industries like steel and chemicals, citing reasons such as its costliness, inefficiency, slowness, and logistical challenges, advising against its application in automobiles. Elon Musk's viewpoints on hydrogen, as expressed in various instances, were notably highlighted in a series of tweets around mid-2020. In these messages, Musk boldly equated fuel cells to a mathematical equal sign for cells, adamantly asserting that the concept of hydrogen fuel cells didn't make practical sense. Despite the clarity of these statements, Musk has not signaled any reversal in his stance on hydrogen when approached by CNBC through Tesla. The foundation of Musk's doubt toward hydrogen is rooted in the basic differences between traditional battery electric vehicles and those propelled by hydrogen fuel cells. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, also referred to as fuel cell electric vehicles, share similarities with electric vehicles in utilizing an electric motor for propulsion instead of an internal combustion engine. However, the pivotal difference lies in how these vehicles generate electricity. Unlike electric vehicles, which rely on external power sources for charging, fuel cell vehicles employ hydrogen gas to generate electricity on board. This process involves the mixing of hydrogen gas from a tank with oxygen, resulting in the production of electricity. The variety of opinions within the automotive sector mirrors the broader debate surrounding the future of transportation and the role of hydrogen in it. In June, the BMW Group announced the commencement of tests for vehicles featuring a hydrogen fuel cell drivetrain, emphasizing its potential to complement internal combustion engines, plug-in hybrid systems, and battery electric vehicles. Despite the growing interest in hydrogen, particularly in the context of fuel cell electric vehicles, it's crucial to acknowledge that these technologies have not yet achieved authority in the market. Companies like Riversimple are actively engaged in the development of hydrogen-powered cars, offering them on a subscription basis. However, these vehicles currently comprise a minor portion of overall car sales. Toyota, a loyal supporter of hydrogen technology, considers its applications to extend beyond automobiles to diverse settings, including heating, lighting, huge mass transit, and heavy industry. The Fuel Cell and Hydrogen Energy Association fervently supports this idea, emphasizing the zero-emission benefits, long-range capabilities, quick fueling, and scalability of fuel cell electric vehicles and hydrogen energy in the pursuit of low and zero-emission transportation. The discussion expands beyond just regular cars to include larger modes of transportation like trucks, buses, trains, and planes, all of which are increasingly being considered for use with hydrogen fuel cells. Martin Dee, the CEO of Daimler Trucks, emphasizes a well-rounded approach, recognizing the suitability of different technologies for specific situations. While electric vehicles with batteries perform admirably in city deliveries with lower energy needs, long-distance transportation scenarios might find practicality in using hydrogen fuel cells. The adaptability of hydrogen fuel cells isn't limited to automobiles alone. The European transportation company, Olom, has introduced the Cardia iLint, praised as the world's first passenger train powered by a hydrogen fuel cell. In aviation, plans for commercial hydrogen electric flights have been unveiled, with aspirations to take to the skies in 2024. Even the construction industry, represented by major players like JCB, has embraced hydrogen fuel cell technology, developing a 20-ton excavator powered by this clean energy source. Despite the excitement surrounding the possible applications of hydrogen fuel cells, there are significant challenges on the path to widespread adoption. Honda's recent decision to postpone production of its Clarity plug-in hybrid and fuel cell models underscores hurdles related to durability, reliability, and vehicle cost. The US government has identified infrastructure limitations as a substantial obstacle, expressing concerns about the current shortage of the infrastructure to support the widespread adoption of fuel cell vehicles. Adding to the complexity, the competitive landscape poses challenges to the trajectory of hydrogen in the transportation sector. Green hydrogen, produced using renewable sources, not only contends with traditional fossil fuel-based hydrogen, but also competes with other conventional fuels such as petrol, diesel, and electricity. The journey towards mass adoption of hydrogen fuel cell technology in transportation, while promising, faces these significant hurdles. The challenges highlighted in the Global EV Outlook 2021 by the International Energy Agency draw attention to a significant difference in registrations between fuel cell electric vehicles and conventional electric vehicles. This difference is closely tied to the limited availability of hydrogen refueling stations. Engaging in discussions on X, formerly known as Twitter, numerous individuals have come together to express their sentiments regarding this revelation. Some participants have raised concerns about Elon Musk, who had staunchly dismissed the concept of hydrogen-fueled vehicles for an extended period. He is actively championing this shift, leading to understandable doubt among critics who question Musk's contradictory attitude. The doubt persists until more information is provided, prompting discussions on Musk's potential ventures. Ammonia engines have entered the discourse, prompting questions about when people will deem Musk's pursuits to be sufficient. Exploring the unique properties of ammonia, a hydrogen compound boasting higher energy density compared to hydrogen gas, enthusiasts suggest that an ammonia engine could potentially surpass traditional combustion engines in the range. Moreover, it offers an environmentally sustainable alternative to gasoline or diesel, as ammonia can be produced sustainably from renewable sources. However, analysts cast doubt on the future dominance of ammonia, citing challenges such as the lack of infrastructure for ammonia, refueling, safety concerns, potential accidents, and the energy-intensive production process. The viability of ammonia remains uncertain, and the success of this venture is still up for debate, especially considering its early stages of discussion and development. In the ongoing race to shape the low and zero-emission future of 21st century transportation, battery electric vehicles currently lead the way. However, the journey to success is far from a straightforward path, filled with obstacles and uncertainties. Elon Musk's recent video explores the intense competition between Apple and Tesla, likening it to the clash of giants, reminiscent of the rivalry between Google and Apple. Google has indeed showcased the potential of autonomous transport impressively. However, it's crucial to note that Google isn't a car company. Instead, they may choose to license their technology to other automotive companies. Elon Musk points out the collaboration between Google and Fiat, emphasizing that Google isn't a direct competitor in the automotive sector. Shifting the focus to Apple, Elon Musk believes that Apple could have entered the autonomous transport project earlier. Expressing a bit of hindsight, he suggests that an earlier initiation of the project could have been favorable for both Tesla and the industry as a whole. Musk believes in Apple's production plans, indicating that significant volume production might not happen before 2020 at the earliest. Elon Musk observes hiring patterns and other indicators to acknowledge his point about the timing of Apple's entry into the autonomous vehicle space. Despite some reservations about the timeline, Musk applauds Apple's decision to venture into this territory and expresses positiveness that the project will succeed, even in the face of inevitable challenges. Elon Musk radiates positivity as he expresses his confidence in ongoing developments, anticipating their success. Emphasizing the vastness of the automotive industry, he notes that it's not limited to just one company, but involves numerous significant players worldwide, approximately a dozen major car companies. Elon highlights the significance of a 10% market share, considering it a noteworthy benchmark for most car companies. He points out that Tesla, under his leadership, has achieved this level of market presence. Drawing attention to the company's diverse capabilities, he likens Tesla to an empire, illustrating how each of its components could be considered a Fortune 500 company on its own. For instance, he singles out the supercharging network, suggesting that if treated as a separate entity, it would be a Fortune 500 company. Elon elaborates on Tesla's unique journey across various industries, considering each of its standalone components as a difficult entity. The company's focus on crafting top-tier products is underscored, with Elon proudly stating that Tesla has reached its current standing without any advertising. Shifting gears to Tesla's environmental impact, Elon notes that the company sells twice as many electric vehicles in the United States as all other electric car manufacturers combined. In a bold assertion, he claims that Tesla has contributed more to environmental causes than all other companies combined. Elon, positioning himself as a leader committed to product excellence, boldly declares that he may have done more for the environment than any other individual on Earth. This claim is verified by Tesla's double sales figures in the competitive US electric vehicle market. Elon Musk envisions a manufacturing revolution through Tesla, with products that promise groundbreaking innovations set to leave a lasting impact on the industry. The structural design and manufacturing prowess of Tesla, as highlighted by Elon Musk, position the company at the forefront of innovation in the automotive sector. Elon emphasizes a moral responsibility to guide challenging quarters, showcasing strength and unwavering commitment to long-term success. Drawing parallels with SpaceX, Elon asserts a firm commitment to fair competition, underscoring the absence of patent and anti-competitive practices in the company's ethos. Despite facing challenges, Tesla actively engages in the industry landscape. Elon Musk recalls an incident where the company, despite making more electric cars than its counterparts combined, was excluded from an electric vehicle summit at the White House during the first 6 months of a new administration. This exclusion, without any evident inspiration, raised questions about fair representation. The situation worsened when President Biden publicly credited GM with leading the electric car revolution, a statement made in the same quarter when Tesla produced a substantial 300,000 electric cars compared to GM's 26. Elon Musk, in expressing his perspective, acknowledges the regulatory role of NHTSA's enforcement division in the US. He holds a favorable view of their sensibility in understanding the truth of accidents and recognizing the inherent risks in the automotive industry. While there have been occasional disagreements, such as the insistence on coming to a complete stop at stop signs, even when conditions permit otherwise, Elon Musk acknowledges the sensible approach of NHTSA in considering safety statistics. Despite these challenges, Tesla remains committed to pushing the boundaries of innovation and safety in the automotive sector. It might be a bit premature to make a definitive statement, but he strongly believes that the future is leaning towards electric vehicles. Companies that fail to make substantial investments in electric vehicles are essentially sealing their fate, similar to what happened to horse and buggy manufacturers in the 1920s. Back then, some companies were stubbornly sticking to horse carriages while others embraced the automobile revolution. Imagine being the manufacturer of horse-drawn carriages in an era dominated by cars. It's similar to insisting on following outdated rules when everyone else has moved on. An interesting historical note is that some companies clung to the belief that they must stop at every stop street, even though hardly anyone followed that rule. This created a problem for us, as they had to select rare instances where humans stopped at stop signs and then train our team and cars to replicate this behavior. It was a challenge, but ultimately, we made our cars stop at stop signs, despite it being a bit irritating. Addressing the perception that he is a rebellious rule breaker, the truth is that the company and him adhere to the countless legalities they're bound by. There have been a few laws they've disagreed with over the years, but the overwhelming majority, around 99%, are followed and respected. The media sometimes portrays him as an individualist, but the reality is that they take legal matters seriously. He didn't delve too deeply into it during the presentation because explaining its greatness is a bit challenging. However, when we experience driving it, the brilliance becomes instantly evident. The concept of steer-by-wire may not have received much attention, but it essentially means that the steering yoke is handled uniquely and innovatively. The connection between the steering control and the wheels in old-fashioned modern jet airliners is not mechanical. In these aircraft, the steering control, known as the steering yoke, functions as a command input to a computer system rather than being directly linked to the physical movement of the wheels. This design allows for a more sophisticated and adaptable control mechanism. In simpler terms, imagine the steering yoke as a remote control for the computer that guides the airplane. Just like adjusting the volume on a speaker, the Cybertrue's steering yoke allows the pilot to modify the sensitivity or responsiveness of the steering, referred to as gain. This means that, depending on the driving speed, the steering yoke can be tuned to amplify or diminish the effect of its movements on the airplane's wheels. For instance, in low-speed scenarios like navigating a parking lot, a slight turn of the steering yoke can lead to a significant change in the wheel's direction, facilitating tight procedures such as U-turns with minimal effort. Conversely, during high-speed travel on a highway, the steering yoke can be adjusted to ensure that even a small movement results in a proportionally minor adjustment in the wheel's position. In essence, this technology dynamically adjusts the wheel movement based on the speed of the aircraft and the driver's intentions, offering a more automatic and efficient driving experience. What are your expectations for the future of transportation in a world powered by water engines? Let us have your opinions in the comments below.